Hey guys, this is a short and sweet video of how to make a DIY conversation heart wreath, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys because it's just a time lapse. Super simple, super straight to the point, so enjoy. So that wreath was super easy to make. All you had to do was get one of the green wreath forms from the Dollar Tree, hot glue. It took 2 bags of the sweetheart conversation hearts and just a bow, which my aunt just happened to have a leftover bow she wanted on it. So it is all done. It was time consuming a little bit, but if you like just watch something while you're doing it or talk to somebody, it's all good. So let me know if you guys end up making one and tag me in it on Instagram or Twitter or whatever, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.